Hello friends and welcome to YouTube channel Freedom Tech, and in this session what we are going to learn. In this session we are going to see how to detect the QR code or how to scan the QR code using Raspberry Pi 4 camera module and OpenCV on our Raspberry Pi 4. But before we move to our practical, friends, if you learn something from our videos, please consider to subscribe our channel. Okay friends, thank you so much, and just let's start. So friends, you need to install here first OpenCV on Raspberry Pi 4. I have already created the video. Watch the video and install OpenCV on Raspberry Pi 4. Then after, of course, we need here our camera module. Of course, you can use USB camera with the Raspberry Pi 4 also. Okay, so I have here but the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module, and I am going to use that camera module to detect the QR code or the scan the QR code. Okay, so I have all the done with basic setup. I have already installed the OpenCV, also I have already configured the camera module. Now simply we need here a repository, and inside that repository I have the script. Okay, I have already created the script. So the repository name is RPi QR code scanner. Simply you need to copy the link. Okay, click the code, copy the link and open the terminal, and you need to run the command sudo git clone and paste that link and just hit enter. It will download the directory. As you can see, I have already downloaded the directory, or I have already downloaded the repository folder. Now simply what we are going to do, we are going to open the Thonny editor, and with the help of Thonny editor we are going to run our script. Okay, so I am going to minimize the browser, and with the help of sudo Thonny, hit enter. It will open our Thonny editor. Okay, then as you can see the qr.py, this is what our script which I have already created, so that's why it's open the automatic. So you need to simply go the file, you need to search for the folder which we have downloaded using our GitHub repository. So inside that py, as you can see, RPi QR code scanner, this is what our folder, and inside that we have our qr.py script. Simply click on OK and it will open the script. Of course, now first I am going to show you the demo how it's work. Okay, then after we are going to discuss about the script, and we are going to discuss about the package which is the PyZBar. Okay, so let's just first start the demo. Now what I am going to do, I have here a random QR codes. Okay, and we are going to scan using our code. So simply run the script and it will open the Raspberry Pi 4 camera module. As you can see, it's created the bounding box, the green bounding box on our QR code, and the data inside is, what is the data? www.webbeginner.com. so in this QR code basically contain this link http www.webbeginner.com. this is what the link inside this QR code. So if I go for another one, as you can see, this is what the scan me. Okay, so inside that we have this link, inside this code is contain this link. Okay, so next one we have here two QR codes. As you can see, it's detected the both QR code. One is for the www.youtube.com and another one is for the www.fastprint.co.uk. so as you can see, it's detected the multiple QR code, also it's created the bounding box on it. So this is how the code works. Okay friends, now I am going to simply stop the code. And as I told you, first we need to install the PyZBar package on our Raspberry Pi 4. So simply open the terminal and we need to install the package using pip3 command. So sudo pip3 install PyZBar. That's it. It will install the PyZBar package on our Raspberry Pi 4, which I have already installed. Okay, so this is the only one package you need to install. If you already configure the OpenCV, then you need to simply install only the PyZBar. If you not configure the OpenCV, so first you need to configure the OpenCV, then after of course the script will be work. Okay, because we need here a CV2 module. Okay, for that first install OpenCV, then pi z bar, and then the program will be work. Okay, so we are already done with setup. So pi z bar dot pi z bar as qr. Okay, import cv2, import numpy as np. This is what the basic setup. Okay, then we are going to start capturing the video frame. So cap is equal to cv2 dot video capture. Then this is what the font. Basically I want to, if you want to put the text, means if you want to put the data, the QR code scanner data, if you want to put on the window, if you want to put on the frame, okay, so simply you need to just uncomment this line and the data will be put on the frame which we are going to show using cv2 I am show. Okay, but right now I don't want it, so I have just comment it. If you want to show the data, you can just uncomment it, the cv2 dot put text option. Okay, so that's why we need here cv2 dot font harshly plain font, which basically we are going to use inside the cv2 dot put text method. So okay, that's why we need here a font variable. Then of course while true, read frame cap dot read for reading the capture, then flip, because the Raspberry Pi camera is basically I have set up here, so like this way. So for that I need to flip the frame. So for that I have mentioned here cv2 dot flip. So then inside that of course we are going to mention the frame, then cv2 dot resize. It will resize the frame with the help of cv2 dot resize, and it will resize at 640 and 480. Okay, then this is what our function means. This is what our qr dot decode module from from pi z bar. Okay, so as you can see here we have import here, import pi z bar dot pi z bar as qr. For that I have mentioned here qr dot decode, because it will decode the code, it will decode the qr code. So qr dot decode, and we need to mention our frame. Frame means our camera video. Okay, so the what is our basically camera video? So our camera video frame is basically the frame 1. So frame 1. Then after we are going to use here a for loop for creating the rectangle, because we need to create the rectangle on our detected QR code. For that, for I in QR detect. Okay, so inside that I, now we have this kind of information. If I print the I, as you can see here we get the X, Y, W and H. Means in this case we get the I dot rect dot left, then I dot rect dot top. What is the rect? Rect is inside basically this I. If I just go, I just want to show you here first. If I normal print I, okay, and now again I am going to start the code, you will see that we have inside this I, we have the rectangle left and the top and the width and height. Okay, so let me just run again script, it will get the better idea. So as you can see it's detected, and here I just want to stop the code. As you can see here we have here rect, left, top, width and a height. So these coordinates 1 2 3 4, these 4 coordinates we need for creating the rectangle. So for that I dot rect, I dot rect, this one I dot rect, the left one 241, then the top, then the width and then height. This is what the coordinates we need here. For that, simply for knowing purpose, for that we simply print the I dot rect, and of course we need the data. So data is basically what? Data is basically our link or any text which we have, which we inside in our QR code. So this is how the code is totally work. Okay, so with the help of for loop we can now we basically have the all the coordinates for creating the rectangle. So we use these coordinates. As you can see we are going to draw the rectangle on our frame. So frame 1, and then all the coordinate I dot rect dot left, I dot rect dot top, then I dot rect dot left plus I dot rect dot width, and I.rect.top plus I.rect.height. Then the color, okay, so color is the green. As you can see, the color is the green 02550, and this is what the thickness. Okay, so this is how we can draw the rectangle on our frame. Then if you want to put the text, you can simply put the text, okay, like this way. I need to simply uncomment the line, so just a minute. Okay, so here it is what the comment, uncomment it. Now whenever the data will be detected, it will put that data on our frame. So now again, so this is how basically the code work. Okay friends, so now I am going to save it, and again we are going to run the code. So we have our frame. As you can see, it's detected, it's creating the green bounding box. Let me just make it zoom here, and as you can see, it's put the data on our frame. Okay, this is what our data, as you can see here, http qr.2, this is what our data, and because of we put the text cv2.put text, so it's put the data on our frame. So this is how the code work. I have shared the script with you, and I hope you will learn something from this video, and you also use this script for your project for detecting the QR code. We'll meet our next video. Till then, thanks, take care, and bye bye.